Hey ladies, it's me, April. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing some stamping of Gucci nails. So the stamping plate that I will be using is this one here. It's from Mundo de Uñas, and this is the Gucci 2 plate. Mundo de Uñas is really cool about branding plates. I have a lot of them to show to y'all later soon. And also on my right hand, I do not have any acrylics on it, so please don't mind that. I'm actually doing something with that hand, so that's why I don't have any. So the items that I'm going to be using today is the clear jelly stamper, the Bee Love scraper, and then I will be using a bunch of nail polishes, and I will post that information down below. Now let's go ahead and start with the stamping. As you can see here, these are all acrylic nails. You can see my natural nails underneath. I used the Young Nails Natural acrylic. And I actually sculpt these nails. So if you want to see any information on how to do that, comment down below. Now let's go ahead and start working with the polishes. And like I said, all the information I will have down below. And this one is from OPI. I love this color. It is like so darn pretty. I've used this color quite a lot last year, and it's just like a perfect tone with my colored skin. I just love it. We're gonna go ahead and start with the green now. I'm only gonna have this only on one nail, and then the middle finger we're gonna use a black. Now let's go ahead and start with the second coat. We're going to do the second coat with the tan, and also the green as well. And then after the second coat of the green, we're going to put another color of a green, but it has like a shimmer to it. You see. I just love this black because it's just so opaque. I just love it. It's sad that, you know, that company has changed brands to another vegan brand. But that black polish is so good. I love it. Now this is that green that I was talking to you about that I was going to put on the green nail. And it's really, really pretty, like in person. In the video, it doesn't show so much, you know, of justice for it, but it's really pretty. Now we're gonna go ahead and apply the MDJ Creations top coat on all the nails, except the green one. We're gonna wait until that one dries up a little bit before I add the top coat. Okay, so for stamping, we're going to be using this handy gold. I really like this gold. It picks up very well. So we're going to go ahead and add some onto the stamping plate, then scrape it, roll, and then add to the nail. And then this clear jelly stamper book, this adhesive book, is super nice. I got it from Clear Jelly Stamper a while ago, and it's just like a lint roller, but in a book form, and it's super cool. I will put the link down below if you guys want to get one of those. Now let's go ahead and flip that and do the lines. And I'm going to be using the handy dark green. It's like super dark green, so pretty. I'm going to roll that on. Take off all the stuff that I don't want. And then I will be putting the red stripe. I will be using the Hit the Bottle Drop Red Gorgeous. I got that from Beautometry. And we're going to put that with the line stripe. I'm just paint that on there. And I will flip it around and you guys will see how cool. Like, it just looks so pretty. Like, I've never done Gucci nails before. And I figured, hey, you know, I want to try to do some. And I think I did a really, really good job with it. While we wait for that to dry, how have you guys been? I know it's been like about 2 weeks since I posted a video. You know, with the holidays and stuff, you just, you know, you're spending time with family and eating, because I know I ate a lot. Comment down below and let me know how your holiday was. All right, so now we're going to be going ahead and use Orly. And this is the bonder. I really love this stuff. And it's just so tacky. I use this when I want to make sure I get 100% transfer. I pretty much use it a lot. So I use that, let it dry a little bit. And until it's like tacky enough that it's not like peeling off the nail, you know. And then you go ahead and stamp that, and the transfer, you won't have any missing bald spots. Man, I just love that about it. So I use that all the time. And then I wanted to get something else that pops out that says Gucci. So I'm going to go ahead and use that one right there with the gold and put it on top of the stripes. I think it's going to look super duper cute. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and put some of these like kind of like a rhombus type look of rhinestones. And these ones are like out of resin. And I am putting that onto the ring finger. And I just put regular top coat on top of it. I mean, underneath it, and then I add the rhinestones on top. And they're resin, so they're lighter than regular, you know, the glass-like stones. Alright, so this is the finished product after all cleaning around the nails. So tell me what you guys think. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!